When finding products on Amazon, there's one thing that's certain, and that's having a good Chrome extension that's built into Amazon so you can easily see how much the competition's making. It's going to help you decide, hey, is this product worth selling? And we're going to be reviewing Junglescout right now. So if we look on Junglescout, I'll also most likely put on AMZ Scout. And we got the extension right here. I'm going to refresh the page. We're going to see if this extension runs and see how first off, see how fast it is. So you can see it's running right now. The thing that I like about Junglescout, and in my opinion, it's the best Chrome extension. It's been the first one out overall, and it integrates so well. So if you're like scrolling down, you can see right here, literally, they're showing you the monthly revenue. It's like built in. It's almost like it's built in. So you don't have to click any extra buttons. Like I just like literally refresh the screen, $187,000 a month this is making. So I could just scroll like it's normal. It's a normal day. I'm scrolling $500,000 a month, $129,000 a month. This is making almost $1 million a month, and I've never even heard of this. So I'm going to click on this, and I can also see once I click in on a listing, there goes Junglescout again, automatically implementing and showing you the monthly revenue, the monthly units sold, the reviews, the price. You click down. Now you can see the historical performance, the review analysis, the variance. It doesn't get easier than this. And the thing about Junglescout is it's always the cleanest as in Instagram clean. TikTok is harder to use, so many different buttons. Instagram, super duper clean, super easy to use. That's Junglescout in a nutshell. We can also click on this button. Let's see if we can bring it out. Scan search results. And then they have the pop out, which I kind of hate the pop outs, right? I know they all try to have these pop outs. I don't like them at all. If it's integrated like this, it makes it so much easier and so much less of a headache, unless you're doing data extraction, right? Next up we have is AIM-Z Scout. We just turn this on and then turn the other one off while we're on AIM-Z Scout. That's a great middle ground tool, right? It's kind of in between Helium 10 and Junglescout. Junglescout's like the beginner level, and then it goes to AIM-Z Scout, and then Helium 10 is the most advanced and one of the most expensive tools at this time. Now, if we go here, AIM-Z Scout, there we go, turn that on, and we're going to see what this does. Okay, so here we go. We got AIM-Z Scout, and I hate the pop-ups. Okay, maybe if you love these pop-ups, I just don't like them at all. Now, you can automatically see it's not integrated in like it is with Junglescout. There's also this little thing that's popping up on the side of my screen. I have to actually run an analysis, which I don't know exactly. I guess it's saying how much money these are all making. You don't really know. And then ask about, but then it does have AI built in. So the AI, let's see, ask about AI. This is where AIM-Z Scout stands out by far because it actually implements AI and says analyze the niche teen toys, and it's supposed to do a whole analysis. Here we go, and it looks like it's doing research for you. Yet it's pulling up the ASINs as well. And I'm gonna say, so if I'm looking at this, guys, let's see. Well, let me type. Oh, it's still going. It's still going. So it's giving you a lot of different items where the demand is concentrated. I mean, this data is just exceptional because of how quick it is. Growing magnetic fidget balls are trending. 3D printed dragon eggs, squishies, and the list goes on. So this tool could be something that I wish there was a stop button. I could just be like, can you just please stop? Because I can't type it. So it's in beta right now, but I think this is going to have a huge amount of potential. I had not seen Helium 10 or Junglescout implement this. AIM-Z Scout is on their game. Let's see, export ASINs, best keywords, explore product data. If we click in on a listing, let's see what it looks like. Again, you have to run an analysis. See, it's not automatic like it is with Junglescout. And it's a little bit slower monthly revenue, but still, it's really nice. And it has the Ask AI assistant for sellers. And then, of course, it has Amazon's Alexa. And it's got a rating right here. So it's got a lot. You just have to click a couple extra buttons to do it. It's not as seamless, but you can click this button as well. And then here comes the pop-up that I love. Oh my gosh, which is it frozen? So it's a little glitchy. That's why I don't like the pop-ups. But overall, it's not bad at all. I mean, it's got a lot of bells and whistles for sure. And then we have the last one. If we go to kids toys, let's see if we can enable the Helium 10 really quick. Oh, so Helium 10, and let's see if I refresh the screen again. If we can get Helium 10 going. Now, the Helium 10 one is very similar to the AIM-Z Scout. So we got the little pop-up right here, and it looks like it's coming in and coming out the Helium 10 tool. So I might have to actually force enable it. Here we go. So it looks like it shows you, again, you probably have to click Analyze Products, and it's like, for some reason, it's coming in and then kicking itself out. So it could be my ad blocker that's kicking it out, which again doesn't make the process seamless. I'll just leave it open for a second. Maybe I'll just try to take a screenshot while we're looking at this so I can kind of explain what it does in depth. But if we're looking at everything here, what we can see when it is working, see, there you go. Oh, now it's working. Hopefully it stays like that. Okay. X-ray keywords, fine performance keywords. So yeah, Helium 10 as of this video, I'll have to make another video on Helium 10. It's kind of going in and out. So expect it to be more buggy. It looks like Helium 10, they're not doubling down on the Chrome extension. And that's because if you go to their website, well, here we go. Here's an example. But if we go to their website, they are expanding to TikTok, to Walmart. They've got so many tools. So when something goes wrong, I believe, in my opinion, it's going to take a little bit longer for them to fix. That being said, they are one of the best tools in the game, but hands down, the best extension is still going to be Junglescout. They were actually one of the first extensions, Helium 10 being number 2, started way back. It was 11 years ago when Junglescout started, around 10 years ago when Helium 10 started. AMZ Scout, I'll have to get back to you. But Junglescout still takes the crown, in my opinion, just because of the integration and how seamless it is. Now, each one of these Chrome extensions has its pros and cons, but when you're scrolling on Amazon, you obviously want something that's clean, something that works extremely well, where you don't have to click any buttons, right? And Junglescout is one of the best, and their interface is also clean. You also get the whole interface when you sign up with them. There is a link in the description for every one of these. So you've got Junglescout, there's a discount, AMZ Scout, and Helium 10. If it's not in the description, it's on our website, but definitely check those out. I highly recommend it. And to this day, Junglescout still hands down best Chrome extension. I'll always be using it over the other ones. So, but that's it for today's video. If you did need any help on Amazon, we are Amazon consultants, and you can check the link in the description to contact us if you needed Amazon management, if you wanted us to help you increase your sales, find products to sell, remove fakes, everything Amazon. That's what we specialize in. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO.